Lesson 5. Again, today we're going to be setting up the aquariums. If you need 2 days, again, take 2 days. The aquariums are going to come like this to begin with. Again, you need to make sure that you have one for each group. Make sure the groups are labeled who it is, and again, do not put in direct sunlight. You want indirect sunlight. You're going to have 2 plants. You're going to have the Elodia and the Kabamba. Again, when you give them to the students, have their hand lenses out, have fun with them. You do want to make sure that they are not out of the water a really long time. You want to get them back in the water. Each one of these, one can be planted in the gravel or laying on top. I usually plant the Kabamba inside in the gravel, and then the Elodia usually goes up on top. I've talked about a holding tank. When the animals and stuff come, this is what a holding tank can look like. You can put your snails and your guppies and your plants all in one area. That is what they eat. So it's up to you whether or not you want to do that. You can do it separate. Again, that's what the food, it's all right here, ready to go. You want to make sure that your animals are fresh and that they are alive. Even if they look dead, especially the snails, you want to make sure that you do give them some time just to acclimate themselves to their new living conditions. There are going to be 4 sheets that you're going to do. Again, the kids are going to observe and draw the Elodia, the Kabamba, make sure they have the colors that they're going to need. Go ahead and fill out some information. They're going to, again, do their picture. For the freshwater, please make sure that they do not color in the water. They're going to be adding more details to this, so all I usually tell them is to go put maybe a blue line across the top for the water, and then to do nothing else. There is another sheet with just lines on it if you need to go and add more information. There are 2 charts and that they're going to be filling out how the freshwater plants are alike and how they are different. For lesson 6, you're going to make sure that you have a chart made. It's the needs of plants, and then you also are going to need the instructions for taking their plants home.